a show here with the Staro Riga Light Festival. Several locations in the city. They have these light and music installations. Another station of the Staro Riga show. Spacey show here. What we have here, a giant fat bright man ruminating. What is that? Sea of flowers. Lots of people around on this Sunday. Very colorful show here on the House of the Small Guild, I think. It's like a children's story or something. Day 3 of Staro Riga. Now I'm here at the Gertrudis Church. There's already some strange atmospheric sounds here. Not sure what to make of that. If you can hear me. Apparently the event is inside, which should be good because I'm freezing my ass off here. Actually never been inside this church. Oh, it's nice and warm. Oh yeah, this visuals, they definitely match the sound. I can't say it's particularly relaxing. That white noise or what? Yeah, here you got some information in different languages. I don't know what's going on with the light here. Yeah, today is 18th of November, Latvian Independence Day, and look at all these people here. It's really fucking busy. I think I just missed the military parade. I missed it again. But at least I got to see some sun, which is something you don't see every day in November in Latvia. I definitely came too late. Man, that would have been some good content. Here you hear some marching music, some video clips, brave soldiers. I saw Italian, Spanish and Dutch personnel, and Latvian of course. And tonight there's gonna be a speech and concerts and a light show, almost some kind of 1 hour long light show that repeats 3 times. I don't know if there really was a parade. Where are all the vehicles? They're all drove away already, or what? Thought they would maybe be here to look at. There you see the old town is also really busy. More flags. Kind of youth organization here. Youth military training. And yeah, all the shops are open, by the way. Here, drugstore. Some stages here. There's another video installation over there. Here we are in Vermanestad. Now it's 6:30. Turned off the normal illumination and you only have the Staro Riga Light shows here. On top of that you have some Hare Krishnas there singing Hari Hari. God, it's so busy. It's freezing. It's 0 degrees. There are some food stalls as well. See, there's still a lot of people everywhere. Never seen the city so busy. Not even on New Year, so I don't know. This really... Oh man, there's a march with torches over there. Can you see that there in the distance? What the hell? He really going all in here. Then there's also speakers everywhere where they play some Latvian folk music. Yeah, you can say these small countries are really proud of their independence. They really celebrate it. The same in Estonia and Lithuania. And no Western country is such a nationalism, as far as I know, from what I've seen. Yeah, okay. Yeah, look at that. They even projected the Latvian flag onto the Freedom Monument. There's going to be a concert here in 20 minutes. Man, there's so many people. Wow. The Lima clock is also in Latvian colors. Didn't know it had that function to change colors. Now Oh, there's a March of Torches. In some other countries they would call that right wing or something. Oh, that's a lot, eh? Fucking hell. This lucky guy has a right to bear the flag. That's a lot of torches. Honestly, I wouldn't think so many people even exist in Latvia. Never see it that busy. Police car. Five minutes later and the march still hasn't stopped. It's another installation of Staro Riga. It's a national opera. Slowly we are coming to an end here. The ranks are thinning out. Looking at this, you would think this is a pretty unified nation, huh? None of the division you see in the US, the UK, Germany, between the left and the right. I honestly don't know how much of that is true. It certainly looks everybody's kind of just a Latvian today. On and on it goes here. Here they're building an ice rink for the Christmas time. And here's another installation. Is that like flying sperm? What is that supposed to be? So a lot of people here once again. Now it's 11:15 and the last few minutes of the Staro Riga show. You see the National Library is also illuminated. Stone Bridge, Akmen's Tilt as well. I just don't see the promised massive light show. Maybe this one here? No, it's not a massive light show. And even the church tower is red, white, red. The amount of effort for this national holiday is quite impressive. Would never happen in Germany, not even in France or UK, I'd say.